All right, welcome to the channel. I'm over in my brother's house today. He's in the middle of another project, which he is doing the video himself. So we'll see what he has in store. All right, he's got his seat off and everything, and he's in the middle of another project. So what he has bought in is what?
It's an it's an antenna splitter. Basically, you pull out your antenna one, you plug your original antenna into this. This goes into there. It gives you another outlet. You can buy a separate. This is a marine grade antenna.
And then since we'll just say he's in the middle of putting his new tour pack on. And we'll show you how we install this. So just, you just pop that off.
Right, that does say FM on it, I think.
I don't know, I can't see.
AM, FM, yep.
It's not blue?
No, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what the blue one is.
Oh.
Would be easier with a light though. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that says AM, FM.
There you go.
What? This is AM, FM right there, yeah?
Yep. There you go. I unplugged it for him, see? Doing his work for him.
Which way did you have that? Up or down?
Up.
Up?
Yep, just like that. There you go.
Okay.
All right.
And then the original.
Plug that one in.
Okay.
Just stick it under there somewhere.
Yep. And for this, basically you just plug it in like that, and you run it wherever you really want to run it. Some people say you can go up around. Other people say just feed it up anywhere.
Yep.
It's just an extra antenna.
Well, like on the Harleys, on like some of the touring ones, they take the antenna off and shove it through the frame.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
What are you going to do with it then? Or you just...
I might just feed it up underneath, up into here, and just kind of let it dangle down in there.
Well, you don't want it to let it dangle, do you?
Or I might just wrap it around here. Yeah. So I'll go...
Where's your antenna, anyway?
In my saddle bag right here.
So this is another one?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. All right, he's just looping it through. Bring it up over through here, and then loop it back over here and just zip tie it. Is that enough, or?
I don't know if I can get it up underneath there.
Just go right up through here. No?
Got that.
And then, all right, so he's got it run. He just ran it right over here. He's just gonna zip tie a couple things here. I'd zip tie it right here, or whatever. Yeah. What's that? You don't want to zip tie it onto that. That's your fuel hose.
I'm not even gonna zip tie that part.
No.
There you go.
And then
wait, down on the inside here. It's gonna be a little bit tight, so I'm just gonna start this.
right.
That should be good enough.
Okay. And then
one more.
Just one more right here, right? So what's that supposed to do? Give you better reception then?
Yeah.
Than just a regular? Yeah. We'll find out next time we go on a ride if it gives you better reception or not.
Yep.
Nice, easy little video.
There you go.
All right.
Enough. This I'm not even going to worry about.
You got the links for those?
I do. I will.
Yep. Yep. So the links will be down below. So it's a little FM antenna splitter. So, you know, it gives you a longer antenna. All right.
Yep.
All right. Short little video today on that. Little
What if I should put a...
antenna splitter. Gives you the longer extension on your antenna. Hopefully you get better reception. So, all right. For the, you know, Goldwing. And, yeah, all done. So subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.